What time is it?
4:24. Let's see what we got in the snack bag today. Got some chips and donuts. This is our new dog Fallon, and it's his first time in the duck blind.
Where's Fallon?
There's Bird. And then, hi, me. Minden. We're out hunting, and this is the book that I use to learn what duck it is. This is how we use it.
Make sure you speak up.
And then we'll look at the wings and see if they look at any English similar, and they look the same. And then we look at the head, and I see it has spots, and the female has spots. Hunting is on! Here I am, picking up decoys and my new waders.
Are you dry?
Yeah!
All right, keep your coat dry. I can get it out.
Okay. Welcome back to the truck. This is all the ducks we got. I hope you enjoyed. Smash that thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. And hunting is on.